I think that science is so undefined because it's a field that's continuously growing, and there's all these new discoveries happening. You could find something that someone hasn't done before and kind of be a part of history instead of studying history. I'm a manufacturing engineer, and I do mainly our resin line for super abrasives. So super is diamond and CBN. It's synthetic diamond, so it's all made in a lab. But yeah, it's actual diamond. So in my previous role, it was a lot more cubicle-based. So I used to actually wear dresses to work or wear sandals. The things that I thought were most interesting were on the manufacturing floor because it was more of direct contact. My dad coached me throughout softball, so he was a big part of us playing sports. It's almost like sports where you get instant gratification when you do well, when you see it in your performance. So you kind of get that too in engineering because you could see the direct results. You just have to practice and you have to do these things. And then when you play a game, you feel oh wow, I'm improving, I'm doing better. You see what you need to do and you kind of work towards getting there and you're Xing out all the possibilities. So I kind of get that here. So we only have 5 girls total in the whole super abrasive plant. It's definitely hard when you don't see someone that looks like you, and to see a machinist and be I've never been around a machine. So it's how am I going to do this? And I definitely felt that a lot in college where they had a machine shop and I was I don't want to take that. I'm going to be so out of place. I have no idea what to do. I think it's the imposter syndrome that always kind of raises its head in your mind where it's can I do this? And it's just getting over the fact that you're not going to know what to do, and it's okay. They will help you and they will guide you to what you need to be and what you want to learn. The person that trained me would walk me through and show me how to do it, and it was kind of no judgment. It's what don't you know how to do? And it's even better that way because it gets it out in the open. It's just a very good working environment once you get used to what it is, where you have people that will look out for you and watch out for you, or if you need help outside of work, that they will help. Engineers are problem solvers because they do it in their everyday lives. The actual role itself is so practical. I do this in my kitchen, would that work here? It will come. But you're already so much ahead of where you were. It's I was you and you're gonna be me. My name is Kelly Pabon and I'm a manufacturer.